Yeah, she treat me like a Aussie. And she asks if I'm ready for commitment. Tom Cruise, I ain't trying to have a kid, man. Tied shoes, but baby, I think you're tripping. Maybe you don't got the vision, but I'm seeing other women. I'm trying to blow some steam, not my self-esteem. Ask me, do you see yourself in me?
So come
obviously.
over tonight. Ain't nobody home. We can fuck anywhere.
Okay, here's the Queen Mary, guys. I think for the next video, you guys want us to go over here? You guys want more haunted videos, so I think we'll do something, you know? Should we sleep there for the night? The most haunted room for the Queen Mary? We'll see. I'm like holding my eyes like this. I actually did see that. I could see a little bit. There's enough. If you stretch it far enough. What you looking at, Jackie? Huh? He got scared.
He's scared.
It's okay, buddy! It's okay!
Shop at Halloween.com. This shit will make you fucking confident. Alright, so we made it to Taquacha town. We got some big buildings, we got some naked strippers and stuff like that, you know, the stuff that we like. It should be alright. I think we'll get there like in 2 minutes.
It's been 10 minutes, but you said we'd be there in 2 minutes.
I meant to add some zeros in the end. Well, it's ready, I'm gonna do it again. They finished it. That's what happened. The heli-horns are finally, the rally heli-horns are finally coming useful. Shit. Rev it up for the stand.
Rev it up.
Hey bro, that's my fucking dream car right here. Yeah, it's fun, bro. It all started in Forza. It started with the fucking. It only took 1,000 hours of working and then Forza. Every car. I have a Miata right now. This engine 3 times still doesn't run. It's called like Galactic, something like that. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. I know, I was looking right now. It's slightly different though. Yeah, it is. Yeah, because mine's called like Lizard Galactic or something like that. This event is pretty freaking crazy. It'll be nice if we actually got in the show. It'll be nice. Next time we'll try to do that VIP stuff. We'll talk to our boys and see what we think we can do. The place looks like it's pretty empty. I think we can fit in there. Look, there's more people fitting. We could probably fit. We might need to hit some cars, but I think it should be okay. All right. Okay, when I get out of here, I'll call you. We'll meet up somewhere. If you want, just oh shit, the cup's on the sidewalk. Oh crap!
And they're shutting it down.
I think it's shut down, dude. Look, we took over LA. We're at the MEET, guys. Everything's all full, as you can see. Psych, it ain't full because everything got taken down, dude. So we're gonna make our own MEET. We have people already making their own spot over there. But hey, at least the cars look good. They're gonna see Phil P. I was peeing there too. It's a P spot. Hello, tacos. It's all bad. Look, we got undercover ones too. We got undercover Toyotas. JK, that's not a really one. We got tacuaches over there. Oh my. Hell yeah.